So you might be in a situation where you're basically having missing apps on your Apple Watch on WatchOS 26. Now, whether you're on WatchOS 26 or WatchOS any other version before, it's a pretty basic process. The first thing you're going to want to start off by doing is to try force restarting your Apple Watch. So go through, hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your watch, which is just this side button right over here. And all you want to do is basically power off your Apple Watch. Give it a second, let it completely power back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Sometimes that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. So try going through, holding down the side button, try shutting down your watch, try opening it back up and loading it back up, and that's a really easy way of kind of fixing it. Another thing you can try doing too is to try looking for a WatchOS update. So what you can do is you can go inside of your WatchOS app, so your watch app, go ahead and open it up, and all you're going to want to do here is you want to go into your general settings option here and try seeing if there's a software update available for your watch. Sometimes there might be a update that might have fixed this problem, and that might end up fixing it for you too. Now, if that's still not working, the next thing you're going to want to try doing here too is to try seeing if you can essentially go through and reinstall those applications. So maybe scroll to the bottom of your Apple Watch option here, try seeing if there's any install buttons, and try reinstalling those apps, because that might end up fixing it for you too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.